Hello, everyone, and happy virtual open house. My name is Erin Mancini, and I'm so excited to have your student into Algebra this year. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this and to get to know a little bit of how your students are learning virtually this year. I won't read all of this, but just a little about who I am. I'm from the Chicago suburbs, Palatine High School. This is my 7th year teaching at ETHS, and I did 1 year at Warren Township in Gurnee. I'm a proud Illini, and I'm currently living in Chicago with my fiance, hopefully getting married in December. What math will students be learning into algebra? A lot of algebraic manipulation, building their math toolbox to access pre-calculus, calculus, with a functions-based class. So we go through all the different functions in detail with an emphasis on looking for patterns and being able to abstract situations, as well as looking at the real-world applications. Okay, things to know. I highly encourage you to look through my course expectations because I could not possibly go through all of this over this short video, with an emphasis on if you have questions about grading and feedback, retakes, attendance, it's all in here in detail. Okay, otherwise, some highlights. Students, I recommend them getting a graphing calculator. We do use it, and it's good practice for standardized testing, and it will be used in all math classes. Also, I have asked that all students have a notebook just for math. For any handwritten work, I have them submit. We have an online textbook, which is super interactive, allows me to assign practice, and students can retake it, and it gives feedback. It should be great for this virtual format. Mostly, I've been recommending, students be resourceful, advocating for themselves, emailing me, since we have a different kind of contact with each other this year. And in return, I have adjusted grading procedures and different policies to give grace during this difficult time. So again, for details on what that looks like, I recommend looking at my course expectations here. Okay. Otherwise, no matter what math we learn this year, life skills are the goal. Math is just the vehicle to learn those life skills. So remote or in person, there's going to be a lot of practice in that. I'm sure you're wondering how students can get help. Basically the same way they could before. So AM support still exists. It's just in a Zoom link. 8:30 though it starts. Always open for individual appointments during office hours on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. There is a virtual math study center and Wildcat Academy. Feel free to email me for more details on that. Otherwise, be resourceful. There's all kinds of things on the internet. That is the perk of virtual learning. We have tutoring opportunities. If you're interested, again, I can set you up with that. What is next for your student? So from to algebra, the typical course progression is going to pre-calculus, or it could also be a dual credit class with Oakton, that's intermediate college algebra, depending on how this year goes. For more information, please click this link with the ETHS math course sequence. It has this whole flow chart with some additional information. Beyond next year's math class, there are more advanced math classes getting into calculus, statistics, computer science principles like engineering, AP classes for college credit, or even some non-AP classes such as STEAM design, thinking, innovation is a really cool and unique class we're able to offer at ETHS since we have such a large student population. Once again, if you have any questions about these, please never hesitate to email me, which here's my contact information. You can also call me. Students are signed up for Remind Text, and I do communicate through Google Classroom. Okay, otherwise, that's a very brief introduction to this course. So I keep repeating myself, but if you have further questions, feel free to email me. I just want to take the time to introduce myself and say, no matter what this year looks like, I'm very excited to working with your student, to working with you, to making this a meaningful experience for them. Otherwise, take care and have a good rest of your day.